you gotta be smart when you shop. Are you looking for authentic? If you aren't, then stop, cause you probably will regret it. We say no synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the brew. For OGs in the U, you can kick it with us too. Technology.
Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Troop, and today we have a detailed, up close and personal look of the Nike Air Jordan Insane Tax Return 2026 Wolf Grey 5, man. This is the pair that I was able to hit on the sneakers exclusive access. Haven't got exclusive access in a minute, but this is a shoe that y'all was outside for, man. Yep. We're gonna talk about it there. We're gonna talk about sizing, we're gonna talk about resale, we're gonna talk about all that great stuff. But before we get off into that, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that hype button, share the videos, comment down below and let me know if you paid retail or resale for this sneaker. Was you outside in the madness? Because there was a lot of craziness going on for this sneaker drop, man. It seems like the Air Jordan 5 is that sneaker that is just, man, it's becoming that hood shoe. I gotta say it, bro. But nonetheless, we're gonna talk about this, as you guys can see right here. Let's go ahead and start with the box. So we're gonna get these out of the way, and we're gonna start with the box. We have your traditional Air Jordan box, man. It's gonna be draped in gray with the white Jumpman logo right here. You're gonna have Nike branding on both sides of the box, as you guys can see, and then the size tag is gonna be right down here. This was a size 11. You can go ahead and pause the video if you need to legit check. I hope that's picking up. If not, I'll throw a picture up there, man. But if you need to legit check your pair, you got the spickle spackle across the bottom. This is going to be a flip top box, and as you guys can see right here, it's going to come with one piece of paper. Thank God, man, because Nike has been killing me with all this paper. You got your quality control sticker right there in the inside, but it does come with the divider as well. That's going to be in there for the shoes to be separated. So that is going to be it for the box. Now, as we move this box out of the way, bam, here we go right here. The Air Jordan 5 Wolf Grey bangs, man. Y'all was outside for these. Honestly, I didn't want these. And it's just one of those things. I don't know. It just I'm not a huge Jordan 5 fan. I respect the silhouette, but they look like boats on my feet, man. You know how sometimes you look down, you're like, man, that's a big old shoe. That's what I get for this sneaker. But we're gonna go ahead and dive right up into, because y'all really like this. So if you're on the fence thinking about paying resale for them, hopefully the details in this video will help you make your decision and your choice. So as you guys can see, we have a predominantly wolf gray upper. The material on these things, let's go ahead off rip and start with that. I don't feel like that the material is per se horrible, but I do think that they could have went with a smoother leather, nubuck or whatever. So as you guys can see right here, this is what everybody was talking about when they talked about the elephant print looking wrinkles. As you guys can see, it got some wrinkles in there, you know what I'm saying, on the toe box. It's again, the material is stiff. It's not that smooth stroke motion that you would expect from the quality, especially 220 or whatever it is that you pay for these things. But it ain't too bad. But you know, I've heard a lot of different names people call these, but we go all the way around it. We have a shark teeth right here. We have that translucent blue on the bottom, as you guys can see. We have the netting right here, clear netting. You got that OG 23 on there with the shadow, super clean. This bump right here, I never liked this bump on this shoe, but the material from here to here are both different. As you guys can see, smooth material, brush stroke, stroke motion, stuff like that. Elephant print, rough material for whatever reason. No Nike brand on the back. And I thought a lot of you people was gonna be mad about that, man. But they stuck to what they had on the original pair, on the last retro, and it is that Jumpman logo. And I ain't mad at it, man. I'm sick. I think they overdoing the Nike branding too much. Nike branding should be only for specific sneakers. Inner side of the shoe, exact same thing. As you guys can see, we have the air unit right there. You have the netting. On the tongue, you do have a white Jumpman logo, gray tongue. The lace lock right here, that's gonna have the Nike branding on it. Behind the tongue is going to have that traditional Air Jordan right there. It's gonna be in that gray. Sock line is gonna be white with the white insole. Hate that about this sneaker. On the bottom, you do have that translucent blue all the way across. Jordan, black Jumpman logo. These things yellow. In my opinion, this is one of the ugliest shoes when it yellow, to be honest with you. That is going to be your left pair. Here's your right one, as you guys can see right here. Like I said, not a bad sneaker at all. Material could have been better. No other sets of laces, only your gray laces with these things. Sizing wise, I think it's safe to say you can go true to size on these things. I think that they are like too snug or anything like that, so I think true to size is pretty good. Quality issues, like I said, the only quality control I see on this pair right here is going to be a little bit of glue stains right here, but that's it, man. For the most part, I haven't heard anything bad when it comes to QC issues on the Wolf Gray 5s. Now, do I think these things are worth the resale? No, I don't, but that's just me personally. But again, I never tell anybody what they should buy with their money or how they should spend their money. If you feel like this is a sneaker that you want, you're missing out on the restocks. I think you're gonna probably continue to miss out on the restocks. I don't see them being available because everybody's after this shoe. If you find a deal, pay that resale. I mean, I think this sneaker might not drop below 300 on the bigger sizes. I think 300, 315, 320. If you could find a pair for that price, I feel like that is the deal for this sneaker. But y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think about the Air Jordan 5 Wolf Gray things, man. Was this shoe worth the hype?
Nope.
All the crap that was going on. Let me say this, man. As far as like shooting over sneakers, robbing people, fighting in the lines and stuff, come on, man. Hey, we got too many avenues nowadays as far as like resale and after a shoe drop to get a sneaker for us to be out here doing that. So let's be better. Let's do better, y'all. We ain't got to go out here and fight over a sneaker yet. But that's all I got for y'all. Again, comment down below and let me know. We got the Air Jordan 5 Wolf Gray 2026 tax return Jones, man. That's all I got for y'all. Y'all know the things, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember everything we talk about, including these right here. Just bait. Work for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.